Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Markia, and welcome back to my channel. I can't fight this feeling. If you read the title, then you already know what we're getting into. We're gonna change that whole new year, new me to new year, new teeth. Okay? So I've teamed up with Byte to bring you guys a new way of getting your teeth together for an affordable price and within a decent time frame. I got the pack in the mail from Byte, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy so y'all can see what we're working with. Okay, so off rip, they give you the another packaging slip to go ahead and place your kit in once you're done, which is very thoughtful. They really did think of everything. It's like this. Then I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, packaging. Okay, this is really nice. This is so cute. So they give you a little card. You look good, but you're about to look better, period. New year, new teeth, new year, new me. Don't play with me. Okay guys, so basically when you open this card, it's going to tell us everything that we need to know to start our, this is really cute packaging. It's like a mirror, but it's not a mirror. They give you everything that you need to do to start your impressions kit. So this is just a full directional, and they also have like link, like, you know, the website link if you need to look at how to do it online. So I'm about to read over this and then I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. All right, see you guys in a minute. I'm a whole dentist out here. Call me Dr. Daily. Put an empty tray into your mouth to make sure it fits correctly. This is very important for making a good first impression. I have a small mouth. She fit. Okay, so underneath the dark putty is a row of light. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna mix the light and the dark putty together. It's pretty easy, y'all. I really feel like a dentist. And this is a very COVID safe thing, you know, going to the dentist right now, it's accessible, but you know, for those of you who just really want to minimize your interaction with others, this is perfect. And if you want to save a coin, this is perfect. And I'm just gonna mix it. It's almost like clay. If y'all play with slime, this is kind of similar to what it is. After we get done mixing it all up, we're going to roll it into a 4-inch cylinder so that we can place it in our trays to get our impressions. Okay, this is our putty. Roll it into a ball. Now let's do it into our little 4-inch cylinder. I think this is 4 inches. I don't know, it looks like a hot dog. If I ate meat, y'all. All right, so we want to work quick because we don't want it to harden. They say do it at one at a time because you really don't want this stuff to harden, because if it hardens, y'all, you won't be able to really get your impressions. All right, so basically they say you want to bite hard enough to really get your full impressions, and we're going to leave it in our mouth for 3.5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in my mouth now. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Make sure y'all got something to spit in on hand. Oh, I got a cute impression though. Look at my impression. TMI, look at my impression. She's perfect. She's perfect. All right, real quick, let's get a thumbnail. got it in there, so now I'm gonna hurry up and put it in my mouth. This can be very messy, but Dr. Daily gets the job done. I feel like I have putty in my teeth. I'll go ahead and place my last one in here. Close it up. That wasn't hard at all. Like, it was really easy. Like, I thought it was gonna be a lot of stuff, but I mean a lot, but it wasn't. I do 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. It was really easy. Now I'm about to take my before and after pictures with my smile stretcher, so I'm about to look crazy. But you know, at the end of the day, when these aligners come in, that hyper bite come in, we're gonna be looking real good, real cute, real straight, real perfect, and that's my period. Okay, so right here, saw I heard teeth. Okay, so basically I just took some of the y'all. Okay, so basically I just took some before pictures, and these pictures are gonna come in clutch. After I get my aligners and I start seeing my results, I'll be able to compare and contrast my teeth now to what they're gonna look like in a couple of months from now. So yeah, now a lot of y'all, like some people may or may not be in the comments, I'm not sure, they may say, oh, you don't need it, whatever, blah 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 blah. I have small gaps in between some of my teeth, down here, here, and up here, up top of my, at the top of my teeth. So those are just a little couple of small areas that I want to correct. However, Byte does help correct a lot of other problems that may or may not be worse or better than my problem areas. But that's some things that I really want to fix and just, you know, tweak a little bit, perfect, and just get right. When I was younger, I didn't really care about my smile, but when I got older and I would get off guard pictures or pictures of me smiling, and I'd be like, huh, or I'll be talking and you just see these little gaps. And it may seem like nothing to you guys, but to me, it just made me cringe. I hated seeing, it just seemed like, you know, one of my teeth went missing and they placed the tooth right there to kind of hide it, but it wasn't supposed to go right there, like the tooth doesn't fit. That's what it's giving, okay? And down here it's just giving like it's a whole separate, I don't know, it's a whole, they got their own little thing going on. It's like team back, team front, like I don't know, I'm not a fan of it. You know, I was hoping that my wisdom tooth, when it grew in, that it would push my teeth to, you know, close those gaps, but that wasn't the case for me. So I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, and I'm gonna get some aligners. And yeah, and on top of this, I don't have to change my whole look up, you know, with anything that I have going on or anything with my face on it. I don't, you know, I'm not gonna be looking different with braces. I don't have to stop eating popcorn and stuff like that because I don't have to wear braces. And also, we have the choice to choose nighttime aligners or daytime aligners. I chose nighttime aligners so that I could wear them while I'm asleep. Now the nighttime aligners, they say that they do take a little bit longer, but I don't care. I wear them to sleep. I don't want to wear them throughout the day because I don't want to be talking with the lips. Sorry to interrupt, guys, but if you click the link in the description box below, it'll bring you to this page where you can purchase your impressions kit and automatically apply my discount code Markia to get your impressions kit for $19.99. Then from there, you'll be able to choose if you want daytime or nighttime aligners. Just gonna pack my aligner here in the kit. Make sure your packing receipt is in there because that's what they're gonna need in order to make sure, you know, you can pay for your stuff. I'm gonna put, and I'm just gonna seal it up. I'm just gonna seal it up. You're gonna just drop this off at your, of course, local USPS postal office. But if you don't want to drop it off at your local USPS local postal boxes, they have made things COVID friendly for you. And all you have to do is go to this website. I will link it down in the description. You go to that website and you will basically schedule a pickup and leave it outside of your door and just schedule for it to be picked up. That's about it. So this is the portal where you'll post and upload your photos of your mouth. You're gonna do all of these photos, and then there's 2 photos at the top. I don't want to show y'all because it's a little embarrassing, but you'll show the bottom of your teeth with your mouth open and the top of your teeth with your mouth open. Also, if you click on the little icon on the side, top right corner, you can click on your treatment plan, and it's going to show you what your teeth will look like when your aligners or, you know, everything is, your session is complete. If you go all the way to number 1 or scroll all the way to number 1, you can see what your teeth looks like now. And then as your teeth progresses, it'll show what it should look like. Now, the top arch, I need 9 aligners. My bottom arch, I need 14. They say it's typical to need 1 more than the other, but like I said, it's, you know, this is your journey, and as long as you get your teeth together, that's what really matters, is getting your teeth together. But yeah, this is a little TMI of my personal journey. If y'all wanted to see it, and if you didn't, you know, of course you can click off this video. But yeah, that's really about it. This is my mouth, this is my teeth, what's goody, and that's what it's gonna look like when she's all together, period. It's really easy, really quick, really simple, COVID friendly, and I went ahead and chose Byte simply because of the affordability, the convenience, and the time span before you start seeing results. Results are usually seen within 6 months, which listen, half a year, I'm gonna be cute for my birthday. But yeah, so that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know how the Byte impression trades work for you guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your year. I'll be back with an update real soon. Bye.